Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Root Beer here, looking at question number 7 on our grade 9 Pascal paper from the year 2018. So what does question 7 have for us? A box contains 5 black ties, 7 gold ties, and 8 pink ties. Stephen randomly chooses a tie from the box. Each tie is equally likely to be chosen. The probability that Stephen chooses a pink tie is the same as, and we have a bunch of fraction options here. Okay. So how can we figure out probability? Well, since everything is equally likely, this is technically what's known as an equiprobable sample space. This is nothing you really need to worry about. The probabilities for almost every contest question in high school will be equiprobable. So you just sort of learn that the probability is going to be the number of outcomes that we would like divided by the total number of, oh, we can clean that up a little bit, divided by the total number of outcomes that are possible. Okay. More advanced probability, the sort that you might see in maybe a grade 12 class, more likely in university, attaches different weights to different possible outcomes. You get what's sort of called weighted probability, and then not everything's equal, but we don't have to worry about that right here. So what do we want in the question? We want pink ties. Well, how many ties are pink? 8. So choosing any one of those 8 is something we're interested in. We want to divide it by, well, how many outcomes are possible? Well, there are 5 black ties and 7 gold ties, or I might have those switched, and 8 pink ties. So in total, we have 20 ties to pick from. 8 out of the 20 ties are acceptable, are what we're interested in, what we want to count. So our probability is 8 out of 20, which isn't a presented answer. But of course, if we divide top and bottom by 4, we'll get 2 out of 5. So 2 out of 5 times, or 40%, something like that, we pick out a pink tie. So 2 out of 5 is right in the middle. That's C, and that's exactly what we're going to write down. Give ourselves a little pat on the back, and then we move right along to question number 8. I'll see you for that next time.